Hello guys, my name is Tony and today we are going to be reacting to the funniest animal fails of January of 2018. Um, I know I haven't uploaded it's only been a month. It's only been a month, but I haven't felt like I've uploaded but we're gonna try to upload more. If we're not, I'm sorry. But but I'm actually out of school. I've been out of school since June 4th. I know I should have uploaded by then, but man, um, it is currently 12:02 at midnight. Danny's already sleeping, and I'm just up here making a video. But anyways, make sure to subscribe. Wait, no, I don't even remember. I don't remember since I haven't uploaded in only a month. Man, make sure to comment, and subscribe. Okay? Okay. Let me shake the camera. There we go. And let's start. If I can you please? Okay. Oh, heck. What the? I like how they're just watching. Okay. Well, wait, is that a turtle? Oh my god, I hate ads. Oh, come on, poor thing. Aw. Wait, what? What the heck? Okay. Okay. The kitty cat, what is it doing? Oh god. That's a goat. Yeah, it's kind of being weird. Hey, look, the baby elephant. Seems to be drunk. A bulldog? It's like the ball knocked it over. What the? Oh, okay. Oh, hamsters. Yeah, of course they don't have tails. Okay, look at them. The brown one's literally having trouble. What's this running? Whoa.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
It's okay.
Does it have fur? Okay, wait, what the?
Fubby.
What the
Fub,
heck? That's a
what
cat,
are you
right?
doing? Come
Yeah.
here. Can I see your face?
Yeah, can you show me your
Can
face?
I see your
I don't know if
face?
you're a dog
Watch out
or
for
a
that.
cat. Oh,
Oh.
god. Oh. Oh. He's barking at you. How do you see through that? Let me kind of see. Oh no. This is what cats hate. Water. Don't cats drink water? I think they do. What is that dog? What kind of dog is that? Okay, don't try to eat it now. That's a little tiny cute puppy. Aw.
No.
Aw, that's cute. I want a puppy like that. Oh. Okay, he just wanted the hat. Okay, don't do that again. Okay, what the heck? Oh my, wait. Kind of flip the kid a little bit. Of course, the kids get knocked down.
Ben? Hey.
Oh my god. They can't get through that. Really?
Everyone says content is king.
I don't care about that. Ew. You don't have. Okay. No. Are you trying to put on a bra?
He's so sleepy.
What the frick? On. Wait. What is this?
I'm sorry it took so long.
Oh, the cat tries to climb the wall. I've seen that. Like they can't get through.
What you gonna do?
Oh my god. What are they? What exactly? Like look at that.
What you gonna do?
What exactly are you gonna do with that stick? I don't get it. You're gonna take it somewhere. I know that. Let's get back to the video. I don't think he likes it. That's weird to have a cat in a car.
No! We gotta talk. No, we don't need to talk.
I like he was like, no!
No!
No! I like how it just cuts after.
Talk. No, we.
Was this a sleepy dog?
Maybe before.
Oh, it's a pit bull. I believe. Or like King Corso.
Come on, Cash.
Oh, what the heck kind of dog is this? Is that a Great Dane? I want a dog like that. Oh, it looks like a little Siamese cat. Oh. Okay, you need to clean that up now. You need to clean it up.
Look at that pillowcase.
Kitty cat.
You ate it. Look at it.
Okay, what are you trying to please? What's going on? What? I don't understand what the.
Case. You ate it.
Oh, I think he's
Look at
scared of the pillow. That's yeah. Okay, what are you climbing? Okay, thank God there's no water in the sink. What's the shadow? Just follow the shadow. Of course, he knocked him over. I mean, I wouldn't be expecting it either. Like, I feel like, you know, I feel like every time someone records something bad, always, something happens. Oops, I meant to shrink the camera. There we go. Look. Dude. What the frick? Yeah, please.
What are you doing?
Don't kidnap yourself. What the heck happened here? Oh, freaking wiener dog! Look at the stomach. Oh, donkey. Oh. Wait, that's a white donkey? Oh. Was that beef, I think? Yeah, I believe that's beef. I kind of was expecting that when he walked up.
Oh, good boy. Oh.
Whoa.
Oh, you okay?
I think that's the dog that I wanted. No, please do not jump down there. Oh, okay. I thought you were gonna. Squirrel toy. Wait, what the heck kind of dog is that there? Is that like a husky? I think. Or is that? I think it's a baby golden retriever, I believe. I can't climb up. Kind of fat for the couch. The heck? Oh, come on. Stop running. Okay, that must have cleaned the table. What is he biting? What is he biting? Is it? I don't know. Oh, I see dogs bite their tail. What are you doing? Dude, if you want a drink of water... Two German shepherds. What the frick? Is my volume? Yeah, my volume's all the way up. Is volume up? Can't really get... Oh my god, what the heck's going on with my computer? It doesn't matter. Please, what the... Oh, little hedgehog. Do people even have these as pets? I think they do, but it's not. But people don't really would have them as pets. What are you? Oh my god! Oh, bruh, what the frick? All she did was jump in the pool.
Dakota, try one more time.
Oh, I was supposed to. I'm gonna pet that dog. What the?
What has
Okay, how do
happened,
these animals
Boo-Boo?
get into this situation? Do they try to look in and then they end up getting their head stuck? Oh my god. Why would a big dog be afraid of a tiny thing? look how big
Come on. Oh, what are you doing?
Literally, look how big he is compared to that little puppy. Like, what the? I think it's because he want the dog, the little pup
Come
dog
on.
boy,
Oh, what
and
are
the
you
big dog didn't want it.
Now, don't come in
He didn't
here.
have it.
Come on. No.
Okay, okay, what the heck are you doing?
Ouch.
Okay, you gotta... Okay, that cat's crazy. Get that cat out, like, literally. What is it chasing?
Ouch.
Alright, start recording
No.
it. How about... Get that cat under control. Like, literally, it's literally breaking
Ouch.
glass.
Ouch.
Wait, is it a mouse? I don't get it. What the... Wait. Dude, stop recording it. You might as well get rid of the thing, because usually owners would get rid of their cats if something would happen. Like, bam. Aw. These dogs can't get up the slide. Look at the white dog's literally trying his best just to get up there.
Bring your vision for the future to life. For more than 145 years, Pacific Lights families
Okay, thank God nothing fell and broke. Oh, okay, that was it. That was it? Alright. Well, here. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Okay? So, I will try to upload at least a little more. As you can see, I am getting pimples. It's part of puberty, you know? But anyway, oh yeah, I just turned 13, so my birthday's on June 19th, okay? So yeah, I'm a teenager now. You might see me act mature in more videos. But anyway, peace out.